What is going on, YouTube Nation? It's Matt. It's 5 Minute Sup Reviews. All I gotta say is I hope you're as hungry as I am, because I have a delicious looking protein powder I can't wait to try. It's VMI Sports. They're Protolyte 100% whey isolate. What's so special about that? Wait for it. Marshmallow Charms. Yes. Man, this looks so good. Looks straight like, what was it, Lucky Charms cereal? That's how they look, and I hope they taste just like that. I'm going to go over some supplement facts. I'm going to put a video in the background because I don't know if you can hear that, but I definitely hear the marshmallows in here, what they look like up close. And then I have water and then milk. So we're going to do this the real way, in water. And then you know how we have to have some cereal, and I'm going to do it in milk. Alright, supplement facts. Let's go on this side. Alright, so you have 1 scoop is 29.6 grams. You have 25 servings per container. Alright, 110 calories. Not bad. That's pretty much average. You have 4 grams of carbs. I'm guessing that's coming from the 4 grams of sugar from the marshmallows, which we're all good with that. You have 22 grams per scoop of protein in here. We like that. They also have electrolytes and enzymes in here. Here's one thing I do like. If you're a big diet pop drinker, you know a lot of them contain aspartame. This does not have that in there. So if you're all about that, that's good for you right there. Lactose free, low sugar, low carb, and non-GMO protein. Let's go. Alright, so I can't wait any longer. I'm going to try this in the water first, and oh dude, yes. I'm going to try this in the water first, sorry about that, and then the milk. Look at that scooper. Woo-wee. Bottoms up. YouTube Nation, here's the going old school with the Lucky Charms. Do work. No, this is water first. Oh, dude. Got that marshmallow, like, if you ate your cereal with water, the aftertaste, yeah, that's what this is right here. That's 4 scoopers out of 5. Now I can't wait for this. This is milk. Oh man, that brings the marshmallow out even more. That's really good. I can't wait to finish this. Yep, marshmallows are crunchy still. 4.5 scoopers out of 5. This is bomb. VMI Sports, you guys killed this protein. I'm all about this. Alright everybody, now you know what time it is. If you found this review helpful, beneficial, and just want to eat all the marshmallows, hit that like button. Right down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for 5 Minute Sup Review Ride.